Okay, here's my tough challenge. Now I've also put this on the page, on your Canvas page, so that you can go back to the question. But I want to read it to you. 4 friends go to the fair and each buy an apple pie. So think about it. Each friend bought one whole pie, so we've got 4 different pies. Sue eats 1/3 of her pie. Bill eats 1/8 of his pie. Lance eats 1/4 of his pie, and Sally eats 1/2 of her pie. Who ate the most pie? Who ate the least pie? How do we know that? Well, we are looking at unit fractions here, and I know they're unit fractions because the numerator of each of these fractions is 1 unit out of each individual piece. This one is 1 unit out of 3. This is 1 unit out of 8 equal slices. This is 1 unit out of 4 equal slices and 1 unit out of 2 equal slices. So let's look at this together a little bit more. If I know that Sue eats 1/3 of her pie, and I wanted to draw a picture to figure out just how much Sue has eaten, let me draw Sue a pie. Actually, I could go ahead and give everybody their pie. These pies should all be about the same size because all these pies were baked by the same baker, and they're 4 pies, 4 equal apple pies. So, if you remember, Sue ate 1/3 of her pie. So my first question is, if I know that she ate 1/3, what do I need to do to my pie? I need to cut it in 3 equal pieces. Notice I said equal. Now watch this. 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, right? No, definitely not, because this is not 3 equal pieces. We know from benchmark fractions that this one is about a half. And this looks more like a 1/4, and this one looks more like a 1/4. No, that's definitely not how I can cut it, how I can divide my 1 whole pie into 3 equal pieces. Let me try that again. I'm going to do a bit more like that. That looks a bit better. I think I might even make this slice just a tiny. There we go. So Sue ate 1/3 of her pie. So I'm going to shade in 1/3. That shows the part that Sue ate. Now if you remember, Bill ate 1/8 of his pie. How do I show 1/8? Well, what do I know about this? I know that my whole pie needs to be cut into or divided into 8 equal. Whisper that to yourself. Say equal. Because that's what we're talking about with fractions, is equal portions of the whole. So I need 8 equal portions. 8s are really easy. Watch this. If you do half and then 1/4, so we made a plus on that, didn't we? And then another line and another line. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one of those is 1/8. So that shows Bill's. What do we know already? Look at Bill's versus Sue's. Whose slice is larger? Who ate more? Sue definitely did. Because look, Sue ate this amount here. Bill ate this amount. If we think about benchmark fractions again, Sue didn't have half. I'm going to draw about half. That dotted line shows us about half. So Sue didn't have half of her pie, but boy, she was a lot closer to having half than Bill was, right? Because look at Bill's we know that 1, 2, 3, 4 would be half. So let's think about Lance. Lance ate 1/4. So I know that I need to divide my pie into 4 equal portions. And then Sally ate 1/2. Blink. I'm going to let you finish this up on your own. I want you to think about who ate the most. Once you figure out how much, draw a diagram of how much each person ate. Then I want you to think about who ate the most, who ate the least, and how do you know this? Were there any benchmark fractions that helped you? Answer the questions on the Canvas page below this video.